Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to demystify a topic that many people find complicated, but is incredibly important for your family's future: life insurance. With Atkinson Insurance Group, our goal today isn't to sell you anything. It's to empower you with knowledge. We believe that an educated client is a confident client, so let's break it all down together. So what exactly is life insurance? At its core, it's a promise. It's a contract between you and an insurance company where you agree to pay a certain amount of money, called a premium, on a regular basis. In return, the insurance company promises to pay a specific sum of money, known as a death benefit, to your chosen beneficiaries when you pass away. Think of it as a financial safety net for the people who depend on you. It ensures that even when you're no longer here, your loved ones can maintain their quality of life, cover expenses, and pursue their dreams without the added burden of financial hardship. Now you might be thinking, who actually needs life insurance? That's a great question. The answer isn't just for parents with young children. While they are a primary group, consider this. Do you have a spouse or partner who relies on your income? Do you have aging parents you support? Do you have a mortgage, car loans, or other significant debts that would fall on someone else's shoulders? Or maybe you own a business and want to ensure its continuity. If you answered yes to any of these, life insurance could be a crucial part of your financial plan. It's about protecting the people and the life you've built. Let's dive into the two main types of life insurance you will encounter: term life and whole life. They sound similar, but they work quite differently. First up is term life insurance. This is the simplest and often the most affordable type. It provides coverage for a specific period or term, which could be 10, 20, or even 30 years. You choose the term length and the coverage amount. If you pass away during that term, your beneficiaries receive the death benefit. If the term ends and you're still living, the policy simply expires. You can often renew it, but the premium will likely be higher because you're older. Think of it like renting an apartment. You're covered as long as you pay the rent, but you don't build any equity. Term life is fantastic for covering specific, temporary needs, like paying off a 30-year mortgage or ensuring your kids are financially secure until they become independent adults. On the other hand, we have whole life insurance. This is a type of permanent insurance, meaning it's designed to cover you for your entire life, as long as you continue to pay the premiums. Unlike term life, a whole life policy never expires. But here's the key difference. Besides the death benefit, it also includes a savings component called cash value. A portion of your premium payment goes into this cash value account, which grows over time at a guaranteed rate, tax-deferred. You can actually borrow against this cash value, or even surrender the policy for the cash if you need it. Think of whole life as owning a home. You're building equity over time that becomes a valuable asset. It's more expensive than term life, but it offers lifelong coverage and that extra financial tool. So which one is right for you? It really depends on your individual situation, your goals, and your budget. For many people, a combination of both can be the perfect solution. A term policy can provide a large amount of coverage during your high-need years when the mortgage is big and the kids are small. Meanwhile, a smaller whole life policy can provide permanent coverage for final expenses like funeral costs, and leave a small inheritance, no matter when you pass away. It's all about creating a strategy that fits your unique life story. Let's talk about some common myths that often stop people from getting the coverage they need. Myth number 1. It's too expensive. Many people overestimate the cost of life insurance by a huge margin. For a healthy 30-year-old, a significant term life policy can often cost less than their daily coffee habit. The key is to get a quote and see the actual numbers for yourself. Myth number 2. I'm young and healthy. I don't need it yet. While it's great that you're healthy, this is actually the best time to get life insurance. Premiums are based on your age and health. The younger and healthier you are, the lower your rates will be, and you can lock in that low rate for decades. Waiting only makes it more expensive, and an unexpected health issue could make it difficult to get coverage at all. And myth number 3, I have life insurance through my job. Group life insurance from an employer is a fantastic benefit, but it's often not enough. The coverage amount is usually just 1 or 2 times your annual salary. which might not be sufficient to cover a mortgage and long-term family needs. Plus, and this is a big one, you typically lose that coverage if you leave your job. Having a personal policy that you own and control provides a stable, reliable foundation for your family's security, regardless of your employment situation. So how do you get started? The first step is to figure out how much coverage you actually need. A simple way to estimate this is using the DIME method. That stands for debt, income, mortgage, and education. Add up all your debts, including credit cards and car loans. Calculate how many years of your income your family would need to replace. Add the remaining balance on your mortgage. And finally, estimate the future cost of your children's education. This total gives you a good starting point for a conversation. Here at Atkinson Insurance Group, we see our role as your guide. We're here to walk you through this process, answer your questions without pressure, and help you understand your options clearly. Our mission is to help you build a plan that brings you peace of mind, knowing that no matter what happens, your loved ones are protected. It's about securing legacies and ensuring futures. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I hope this has cleared up some of the confusion around life insurance and shown you how it can be a powerful tool for your family's financial well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more educational content. And if you're ready to take the next step or just have a few more questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help. Thanks again for watching.